Okay, my name is Tabo. I'm coming from Pumalanga province, and my work is a barman. And the name called Shakira is the general manager start the name, and Mr. Hendrik just to promote until now call me most of the guests coming here, they call me Shakira. And the reason why they call me Shakira, I did ask our general manager Mikel, what is the reason why you call me Shakira? The manager say what? Hips, don't lie. The most popular cocktail, most of the time people they order here, strawberry daiquiri, and especially Sex on the Beach and Sebetana Sunset. But my favorite cocktail as a barman, we like to do most of the time just to promote it. Okay guys, you are the man, you must drink the Long Island iced tea, because it's a part of the big 5 things, you know. Because in the Long Island here we have tequila, you have vodka, you have Bacardi, you have triple sec, we have gin, so, and top up with the Coke. That is very good one for the men. You can drink that one, relaxing, call a big 5 things. Because sometimes maybe of the guests, sometimes they say, if I drink this one, I'm gonna say a pink elephant. Official, no, you won't say a big elephant. It's just a cocktail. Just relax, because you're on the vacation. People must get relaxing. Okay, my favorite part of the job to make my people welcome and warm, enjoy the vacation, like playing a good music, a good dancing, just to entertain them. They feel relaxing with a lot of cocktail. When you see sitting in the swimming pool, just listen to the good music. Just any movie in South Africa is a dance, you know. Sometimes when they drink cocktail, play a lot of music, you say the sunset goes down, there is a beautiful sunset goes down in a Rhino Lodge. Okay, here guys, I'm gonna do a Sebatana sunset. I'm gonna take a grenadine, because why you take a grenadine, I don't put a full tot of the grenadine. It's just we dash with the grenadine, all the flavor will combine very good one. That's why I most of the time I measure with these things. After that, I'm gonna pour a lot of ice inside the glass. Let's wait and see. After doing this one, take a vodka, 1 tot of vodka inside Sebatana Sunset. It's very good one with a good flavor and a brother's fish. With the brother's fish, I'm gonna add only 2 tot of the brother's fish inside the glass, and I'll top up with the orange juice. But our orange juice is very good one. This one, our orange juice, after you top like this. Yes, I have this one. Even this one, I can garnish it with it and put it the umbrella on top of pineapple like this. Must be fabulous, guys. After that, you take a straw. You just decorate the straw very nicely. This. After that, you can serve your guests. Say welcome and enjoy your drinks.